Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Poco F6 Pro. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and in that box you will find another yellow box here, and if you open it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. Just release it, and yeah, otherwise by the way you could use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone, so please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now your SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, one on the top and a second one optional below. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2, it's always written here in the middle. No? Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. Place it like this here, so press it well. You hear a little click noise, and yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay, if you want, you can add now on the other side, optional, a second SIM card. Same thing, so just press it well, but this time from both sides, so that the first SIM card doesn't jump out. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner here as well, and it belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are as well on top. Okay, if you're ready with it, just put your construction back into the phone. The first SIM card is showing to the display, so it is on top. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.